Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to learn about noun. Let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Let me explain you further. Nouns are naming words. As we all know that everything in the world has a name. So that all names and naming words are called nouns. Let's learn with some examples. Here we can see a picture of a boy, doctor, woman, and a teacher. And all these are names of people. Now we can see a picture of a mall, school, park, and an airport. And they are the names of places. Now you can see a picture of a snake, tiger, cat, and a rabbit. They are names of animals. In this picture, you can see a chair, pen, ball, and a shirt. And they are names of things. I hope the definition and meaning of noun is clear to you. Let's learn types of nouns. Common noun and proper noun. What is common noun? A common noun is the name common to every person, place, animal, or things of the same class, kind, or group. Most important point to remember is common nouns do not belong to any particular person, place, animal, or thing. They are just common names. For example, girl, book, bird, country. All these are the example of common noun. Always remember two important things while learning about the common noun. Number one, always write a common noun in the lower case. Number two, only make it capitalize when a sentence starts with it or appears in a title. Let's learn with some examples. Number one, the girl likes to learn. Here, girl is a common noun. Number two, dogs are the most popular pets. Here, dogs is a common noun. Third, we live in a big city. Here, city is a common noun. He was reading a book. In this sentence, book is a common noun. Proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing, such as your name or your country's name, such as Monica, Harry Potter, Christmas, America. These are all the examples of a proper noun. We always use a capital letter for the first letter of a proper noun, and it is no matter where they appear within a sentence. Let's learn proper noun through some sentences. Number one, John has a brother and a sister. Here, John is a proper noun. Number two, my parents were born in India. Here, India is a proper noun. Number three, Titanic was a huge ship. Here, Titanic is a proper noun. Fourth, Sunday is a holiday. In this sentence, Sunday is a proper noun. And that's all for the day. I hope this topic of noun is very much clear to you all. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.